What up, what up, what up? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. All right, so we have a question from Coach Cody. What up, Coach Cody? Tony, I have an old International Scout that I'm playing with. I had to replace the top and was wondering if the undercoating is something I could spray inside the top with. Most of the time and always in the summer the top is off, but I'm concerned about any smell or if it's something I shouldn't use on the interior. Well, two things. If it's a soft top, I wouldn't do it. If it's a hard top, yes, absolutely, because when the undercoating dries, guys, this is what the Scout looks like. International Scout. Let's pick up the hard top version. Here's a hard top version here. Here's another one. Okay, so there's two products I'm going to recommend to you. A thin product that works really well. I use it all the time. It's a product called Tight Seal. Okay, sometimes you can get them at good deals on eBay for about $5 a can. Here's one for $5. Special offer. Really good product. You can use this undercoating underneath your car. You can seal trunks in classics, under the hood. You can do the complete undercarriage with this stuff if you want to. And I actually plan to do that with my 67 Chevelle. If you have a bed liner or a Jeep that you're doing, you know, the interior of a Jeep Wrangler or some type of off-road truck, or even the underside of your International Scout here, this stuff would work really, really well. It's called Raptor Liner by U-Paul. And they even give you a little gun that you can use to spray it with. This is the same exact kit that I got to do my Daihatsu Japanese mini truck project. This is the one that I got right here. Bed liner kit, 1 gallon. It comes with 4 quarts like this. You just add a little bit of hardener to each one. You screw the gun right into it. And that's pretty much it. This is 2 gallons. You don't need 2 gallons. So definitely I would recommend this if you want a thicker rubber coating. This is really thick. I did the bed liner of the Daihatsu project and it came out really, really nice. I guess I could pull up pictures, but I got so many damn pictures in here. It's ridiculous. Let's see if I can pull up some pictures. So here's the Chevelle. Where is the Daihatsu project? This is the photo shoot with my Lamborghini. I don't know if the Daihatsu is in here. Yeah, the Daihatsu is in here, but there's no pictures of the actual. Let's see here. Maybe this is it here. Well, you can't really see it, but I did the interior of the bed in here, if you can see, with that product. It came out really, really good. If you go to LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, you can see the full-length videos of this whole project. It's all in VIP. So anyway, if it's a soft top that you're talking about, I would not paint any of this stuff in the soft top. You know, it might be even cheaper to just buy a new soft top, something like this guy got, you know, like a little tarp that just goes right over it, you know, like this. I'm sure that's not much money. Plus this looks a lot cooler, I think. It all depends on what you're doing, but definitely soft top, no. Hard top, yes, it would be really cool. If you want to go the cheaper way, grab a couple cans of the Tight Seal spray inside the top. It'll come out really, really nice. All right, so hopefully this answered your question with some undercoating ideas. It's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, don't forget to hit up LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com to grab a free auto body manual by clicking the button over here or down below if you are on a desktop on YouTube. I'll throw the links to some of these resources here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Talk to you soon. Peace.